Good day, everyone. My research is focused on incentive programs for conservation, where public funds are used to pay landholders to manage areas of native vegetation. Incentives are a widely used policy tool, and a considerable amount of money has been invested through them, but we rarely have evidence of their impact. And there is still a lot we need to find out to inform the design of these kinds of policies. My research uses the Bushbids Conservation Tender Program as a case study. This program offered 5 or 10-year contracts for native vegetation management in the agricultural regions to the east of Adelaide. I'm currently exploring whether these programs can make a difference to native vegetation condition, what difference participation makes to the landholders who are involved, and whether carbon sequestration could pay the cost of managing biodiversity. Results from these studies are currently in progress, but some results I can share with you today are from the first part of my study, where I looked at the type of landholders who participated. Can we assume that like much research in this area does, that landholders are generally farming individuals or families who live on their properties? The answer is no. We found a roughly even split between primary producers and non-primary producers, and nearly a quarter of the participants were absentee landholders, sometimes living in the city or in a major regional centre. And a small but important proportion were groups, including NGOs and informal groups of neighbours. Groups tended to offer larger areas in the program. Absentee and group landholders have been little studied in this context, but their presence in the pool of managers of native vegetation may have implications for designing these types of policies, for example, in communication strategies and in finding ways to address the broad spectrum of participant needs in areas such as decision making and in implementing management. I look forward to sharing more results from my research with you in the future. Thank you.